Welcome back to the channel. In a previous video, I made a street photography video with the Fujifilm XF10. Now, this has become my favorite street photography camera over the years, and I've owned this twice now. I previously owned this in 2021, and I went out and did a little street photography day around London. I'll list that somewhere on the screen now so you can see it. And then for whatever reason, I sold the camera. And I think it was because I purchased either the X100F or the X100V, Fujifilm X100F or V. And yeah, I quickly regretted it because I then soon realized that neither the F or the V were very pocketable cameras. And I was less likely to actually take them out on the street, whereas I would have taken this with me all the time. I then sold the X100 camera that I had and went on to the Ricoh GR3 series cameras, and then quickly realized that the build quality was nothing close to the build quality of this camera, the XF10. So here we are in 2023, and I've recently picked this up again, and I'm so goddamn happy I have it again. I've used it on a few days out recently, and it just lives in my back pocket, and it's just one of the easiest cameras to use that yields the best results. I got this from MPB and it was secondhand, and it's literally as new. There's not a mark on it. I've put a screen protector on and it's in absolute mint condition, and I've got it for a very good price. So if you're in the market for one of these or a secondhand camera, check out MVP. This is not a sponsored video, but I highly recommend them. I've bought and sold a lot of my equipment on their website, and it's very easy to use, and they're very quick to dispatch things too. So yeah, in this video I wanted to see if you had any questions regarding the X100F, the XF10. If you do, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions where possible. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.